Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 security or firewall settings might be blocking the connection. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Restore Defaults. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Reset now. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.